Okay, so this video is just going to show you how to create the page, a new page, or how to create a link to a new document. So in another video I've talked about how you share a document to this website. So let's assume that you've watched that video for now, and if you haven't, you can always watch it later. So you've got a shareable URL link which is copied to your clipboard. And now what you want to do is create a new section or subsection, which is effectively a page. And rather than creating an entire page using the editing here, you're just going to paste in that link, and I'll show you how it works. So you go first of all into the editing part. There's other videos showing you how to get to this part, but you've got the editing platform here, and the two main sections you're going to be using are either build, which is if you actually want to edit a page, you use build, or if you want to add a page or whatever, you go to pages and it lists all the pages, the whole skeleton of every page on the website. Okay, and then you go up and you create a new page by hitting the plus button, and then you can either create a standard page, which will create a page like this, and then you can put in the text and all the rest of it, or you can create an external page, and that's basically adding a link. And that's what we want to do in this instance, and I suspect this is what you'll want to do with the History Society most times. So click on external page, and it's created a new page, and at the moment the page's name is link page. Okay, so let's call that PDF link, just because that's what, I haven't got a name for it, but it could be births and deaths or whatever. Now I've copied the external link from the G Drive, the sharing link, onto my clipboard, so all I've got to do is paste it. So that is the link from, and you can see here, drive.google.com, open the ID of the file there. Okay, now do I want it to open in the same tab, or do I want to open it in a new tab? Well, if you open in a new tab, it opens just another one of these tabs up here, so you'll have one tab for the video, for the website, and you have another tab here for the link. So I think if we do open a link for a new tab, that's probably best for now, and hit done. And that's created a new page, and it's put it at the bottom of the list, a PDF link. Okay. Now I want, because this is a History Society page, I want to move that into the History Society section as a subsection. Okay. So get the PDF link, drag it up to wherever you want to put it, and drop it there. So we've now got PDF link there. When we look at what it'll look like on the finished article, so find history of Chorley, and we go down, and there we are, PDF link. Okay. Now PDF link at the moment in the editing part of this, if I click on it, nothing happens. That's because it's an external link. Whereas if I clicked on Chorley School, which I know is an actual page, it will show me. Just give it a little bit of time. There we are. It shows me the Chorley School page. But if it's a link, like a schedule or an Excel spreadsheet, it won't actually show it yet. So in order to see it properly, I have to publish the page, or publish the website again. So I'm republishing. So this is the live website. Okay, so it's saying website's published. I then click on the link if I want to have a look at the live website. It's loading up the new version of the live website. And if I now go to History of Chorley, you can see here PDF link. So the PDF link is there. If I click on that now, it takes me to the G Drive file, and it shows me the PDF that I uploaded. And I can't edit that, but I can view it, I can print it, and I can download it. Okay. But what I can't do is edit it. So if you had a Word document or an Excel spreadsheet or something like that, you haven't got to worry that people can access it and edit it. They can view it, but they can't do anything else. Okay. Right. So that really is that. So that's the straightforward way to add in a link. Now, what I'll do now, because obviously I don't, so I'm going back to the editing platform again. Go to Pages, find PDF link, click on that. It then shows me the link information. Now, I don't want that to be there because it's rubbish, so I'll just delete it. Are you sure you want to delete the page? Yes. And it's deleted that link. So once I've made that change, I can then publish again. And it's now publishing that newly changed website again, removing the PDF link. There we are, website published. Go back to, so open a new tab, so it's going back to the newly published Chorley website. If I then go into History of Chorley and go down, PDF link has disappeared. Okay, so that is how we create a new page using a link. And I think the best way for the History Society to share schedules, Excel spreadsheets, PDFs, Word docs, that sort of thing, will be to load them all onto the Chorley History Society G drive, and then to get right-click and get a shareable link, and then create a new link page in the editing software for Weebly, add in that link, give the page a name, whatever you want to call it, add in the shareable link, hit done, move the page to where you want it in the subsection area, hit publish, and then you have updated it. The good thing about this is that if somebody gets more information and wants to update the Excel spreadsheet at some point in the future, all they have to do is access the Google Drive, update the spreadsheet, and forget about it. And then when anybody goes to the Chorley website, they will click on the link, it will take them to the newly updated Excel spreadsheet, and they will have newly updated information. So you don't have to keep editing the website every time data changes if you use links. And I think that's probably the best way for the History Society to share local information like censuses and etc. And we can talk through that separately, but that's how you do that. And there will be another video which is I'm going to do now, which is just going to talk you through how to actually log in the first place to get to the edit platform for the website. And then I'll probably run into how to edit an existing page. Okay, so that is all for now.